Tunisian society is seen as one of the most liberal in Muslim countries, and where a campaign of civil resistance led to the first Arab Spring protest in 2011. Since then, campaigners for all kinds of equal rights have been battling to preserve or establish their rights. Shams Rad calls itself the Arab world's first gay radio station. For 2 years now, it's broadcast to lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. But there's been a backlash.
The vice president of Shams Rad became the main subject of the Friday prayer in his area monastery, which contained a direct death threat. Even his family was threatened. He also received violent phone calls. Personally, I have received 4,300 messages to my Facebook account, which contain violence and death threats.
Human Rights Watch has spoken to 6 Tunisian men prosecuted in 2017 and 2018 under Article 230 of the Criminal Code. Homosexuality is illegal with up to 3 years in prison. In the Arabic version of the Criminal Code, both male and female homosexuality are criminalized, while the French version states sodomy is a criminal act. This law predates 1956, when Tunisia became independent from France. Despite a new constitution in 2014 to safeguard human rights and individual liberties, prosecutions and forced physical examinations under the 1913 Penal Code still take place.
The problem is that very few victims file a complaint to the police for fear of being stigmatized again, of facing stronger repression, of falling into an uncontrollable spiral when they complain to the authorities.
Tunisia has signed up to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and Tunisia's constitution states, under Article 21, all citizens, male and female, have equal rights and duties, and are equal before the law without any discrimination. Article 23 prohibits mental and physical torture. And in Article 24, the state protects the right to privacy and the inviolability of the home. Searching property and taking personal objects is illegal without a judicial warrant, but is mainly men who are arrested by evidence found on laptops and mobile phones.
Does an Islamic government exist in the Arab world? Are the Islamic rules really respected in the Arabic world? No, they are not. Tunisia is a secular country, thanks to the procedures of the creation of associations and media stations.
Tunisia's government has signed the UN's Human Rights Covenant not to discriminate based on sexual orientation. Is the current policy then of allowing police to look for evidence of sodomy and force people to be examined an unconstitutional contradiction? Iolo Dafydd, The Newsmakers.